Welcome back to Visitor Analytics. You're watching this video because you want to install our analytics app on a Weebly website. Let's start by having a look at our Weebly dashboard and at the website we want to start monitoring. We need to press Edit Website. Once our website editor is open, let's scroll down to Install the Apps and click the Manage button. In the new window, click Go to App Center in the top right corner. Now search for Visitor Analytics and select the app. This will open the Visitor Analytics app page where you just need to click Add and then Connect. Your Visitor Analytics dashboard with all your stats and insights will automatically open. In order to make sure that the tracking of your website activity can begin, you will need to go back to the website editor and click Publish again. That concludes the setup. Whenever you want to check your stats and insights, you can click again on Manage in the Installed Apps menu and then click again on Manage next to the Visitor Analytics icon. Alternatively, you can just type the address app.visitor-analytics.io in your browser. For any questions, you can contact support using the chat bubble.